Let's see how to create an employee list. Tap on the employee list icon. Then tap the Add New Employee button. On the next screen, enter the employee ID and employee name in the input fields. You can also customize the pay period, shift, and salary rules for specific employees. If not, the default settings from the Settings menu will apply. Tap Save to store the data. Once saved, the employee list will appear on the next screen. Let's see how to check employee attendance in the Attendance menu. You can record the attendance of the employees. Tap on the Attendance icon. On the next screen, view your employee list. To add a time card, tap on the employee's name. Select the month. Choose one of two options to scan the card. If you select the Scan Card option, the phone camera will open, allowing you to take a photo of the time card. You can crop the picture on the next screen. Tap Next. After capturing the time card, view the converted times on the screen. Tap Save Data to store the information.